Well, winter finally came. It's cold outside. I can't believe it. 45, 50 degrees outside. Tom and Christopher are out of town, and they asked me, I'm Jim Gray, to come in and feature one of their new lines of food that they have here, and it's called What's Cookin'. It's called Home Cookin' Made Easy. In fact, take a look at this. Jason, pop up over here. Look at this. This is called Cheeseburger-Cheeseburger soup. This is so simple. It takes 25 minutes to make. There it is. Look at that. You gonna try that? There you go. All right. There we go. Yep. And so they come in little packets like this. And these packets, by the way, are packaged by families, kids and parents at the Children's Medical Center in Nashville, Arkansas. And so the proceeds go to help out these families, and it also gives them life skills during rehab. And so there's a lot of great flavors. It's not just the cheeseburger. There's shrimp and sausage gumbo. You got bacon ranch, mac and cheese. We've got, of course, beef stroganoff, which is one of my favorites as well. And then, of course, they have chicken salad. They've got buffalo chicken dip, Brenda's country coleslaw, and we have the Santa Fe chicken salads. But we're actually out of the cheeseburger soup. I started this morning at around 11:30, and we've completely sold out. So all I have is the bacon ranch and these other flavors. So we want to encourage you to come into the store and see Christopher and see the team and buy some of the cheeseburger soup. One, it's great. And by the way, you couldn't tell, but this crock pot was full off of just one of these little packets. Let me tell you how easy it is. I just browned 1 pound of hamburger, added no salt, added no pepper, nothing. After the hamburger was done, I put in 7 cups of water. Then you can do like a cup of heavy cream or milk, and then a little tiny bag of like shredded cheese of any kind, like 2 cups. That's usually the smaller bags. And then just a little bit of ketchup. I don't know why they had us put ketchup in, maybe for color. I don't know, you really can't taste it. And then this giant crock pot is full. So I've just been keeping it warm all day. And every person, except for those people right there that just said they've already eaten, I know if I could get them to have one little bite, they would buy it. I know they would. But I can't sell it to them because I actually am all sold out. But that's it. I just want to encourage you, come into Lekka and check out our What's Cooking section. And there's lots of great stuff to try. So I'm going to pour a big bowl now for Jason. So thanks for watching, everybody, and we'll see you here at Lekka soon.
Jason's very happy.
Yes.